Honor O'Brien,
Yes, ma'am.
you are suing the defendant Pedro Lira.
Yes.
For $2,900 you say he owes you in an unpaid loan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are the two of you related?
He is my husband's twin brother.
Okay,
Yes.
got it. So tell me what's going on here.
Well, me and my wife don't really. I call him my twin brother because I don't want to call him my brother-in-law because he's just kind of a bipolar Mexican. He goes up.
What?
Yeah.
But what does that have to do with him being Mexican?
I just.
You just want to throw out a racial slur?
No, not really. I mean, he's Mexican though. He is technically Mexican. Like,
Right, but
you know?
calling him a bipolar Mexican means what to you? What's the difference between a bipolar human being and a bipolar Mexican is what I'm trying to ask you.
Oh, nothing. It's exactly the same thing. He's just a bipolar human being then.
Not off to a great start, are we?
Yes, no, not at all.
So why don't we leave out the name calling?
Oh, yes,
You tell me about your case.
Okay. So yes, this is my husband's twin brother. He's an okay person, but he's not someone I actually will hang out with. His personality and the way he acts and his behaviors and the way he treats people, I don't agree with it.
So why don't you give me some background? Do you like your brother-in-law?
Not right now. So everything started months ago. When I was talking to my brother and I expressed him that I wanted to move out from my old place. He went and talked to him, and then he gave me the money to move out.
You asked him for money to help you move, and he gave you money?
I was talking with my brother. He gave me the money.
Okay, so you never had a conversation with him?
Coming up on Judge Faith, the contract is called into question.
Did you put anything in writing?
Yes.
You put something in writing?
I don't remember this.
So is your signature forged or not?
Plaintiff Connor O'Brien says Pedro is taking advantage of his kindness. He's suing for an unpaid loan. Defendant Pedro Lira says he doesn't know because the money was for an apartment and he hasn't found one yet.
And so the two of you agreed to, as you say, loan him the money to move into the new place.
Yes.
And so why didn't you move into the new place? What's the reasoning?
Because the landlord went and hired the rent.
So what did you do with the money if you didn't use it to move?
I've been using a little bit, but I still haven't moved. I'll pay him back when I move to another place.
Have you talked to your brother about this?
Yes.
And what has he said?
He just wants to stay out of it because since he's been like harassing me to pay back.
Has your brother asked you for the money?
He's fine with it.
So he's never asked you for the money?
No, but because of him, now if we hang out, he gets mad. I don't want to put my brother in a situation he has to choose sides.
Okay, you're suing your husband. It's not even a part of this lawsuit. The two of you agreed to loan money to Mr. Lira together, and he says he's going to move at the end of the summer, and the deadline for him paying you back is when he moves into a new place. So why should I enforce this now? This lawsuit seems to be premature.
My husband, we want the money back. No, we want our money.
You can't say what your husband wants because he's not here.
I know my husband, we both want the money back. We thought we were giving him a short-term loan. He found a place and...
Did you put anything in writing?
Yes. We put something in writing when he did not move into the place, and I was like, why hasn't he moved into the place?
You put something in writing?
I did not.
What do you say you have this in writing?
Here we go. In December of last year, when he did not move into the place, and he comes over to my house, bringing Grey Goose and new clothes and everything else. Don't come to my house with Grey Goose. He knows I'm a Costco kind of person, and no offense at all. You just drink it and you piss it away. So if he has enough money to come and bring Grey Goose, and
do you not understand where you are today? You think you're talking to one of your homies, one of your friends back at home?
No, do not. No.
So why don't you watch your language?
Oh, sorry about that. Then I'm sorry. I didn't know was a bad word.
Do you think it's appropriate for court?
No, sorry. But I had him sign that because we're like, he hasn't returned any of the money and he hasn't moved to the place he found. And so when he's come around bringing all this stuff around to our house, I had him sign this saying that, hey, please bring us...
Is this something that you recognize and you're familiar with and that you signed? Because you say you don't know anything that's written.
I don't remember this.
So that's not your signature?
It is, but I don't remember this.
So in your statement to the court, you said that you didn't have any type of agreement regarding paying the money.
the agreement was paying back when I move out.
So is your signature forged or not?
What do you mean by forced?
Either you did or you didn't sign an agreement. Which is it?
Coming up, Judge Faith rules. And now, Judge Faith rules.
Here's where we are. We have a document here that you allege is signed by the defendant. Defendant does not have any memory of entering into a written agreement, and he stated in his statement to the court that there was no written agreement between the two of you. And even in this written agreement, it says, please start paying soon. There are certain elements to every contract in order for me to enforce it when you sue. One of those elements is your lawsuit needs to be timely, meaning the money is due under the contract when you come into court. This agreement doesn't have a time frame as to when the money is due. It simply states, please start paying soon. So what is soon? That is the question. Is soon when he decides to move into a new place? And he says he's going to start moving into the new place? Because what I could do is enforce a judgment now and you still won't get your money, because at the end of the day, I think he spent it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss this lawsuit without prejudice. And if he doesn't pay you by the end of the summer, then you can refile. My suggestion to you is, if you're gonna come into court with a written document and you say it's signed by him, you need to bring in independent evidence, a signature evaluation that this is in fact his signature, if you want to convince the trier of fact that you have a legitimate document here. Your case is dismissed without prejudice.